Hey, Denver, Ray Williams, Denver's Mortgage Maestro. Today I'm going to talk to you about banking habits and how they can derail your application for mortgage. What do I mean by that? Well, first let's break it apart. We all have banking habits. We all treat money differently. And however, when you go to buy a home, underwriters have to look at your bank statements. Therefore, mysterious deposits, transfers, cash deposits, all of these things become scrutinized. Now, they're part of daily living. We all do it. But when you go to buy a house, let me give you some tips that can help you out. First of all, no cash, homie. Just don't deposit cash. There's really no way an underwriter can quantify that's your money. So try to stay away from that because it will be reduced from available assets for closing, and that may be important. Secondly, if you transfer money from USAA over to your Wells Fargo, over to your Chase account on a regular basis, 3 months before, try to shore that up and just put it to a halt for the time being. Reason being is we will have to get statements from all of those accounts, and then we'll have to line up all the dates. Talk about a paperwork nightmare. Just try to stay away from it. After that, banking activity. Well, one bank in particular, their bank accounts, and quite often more than one bank, their bank accounts, they don't have the same statement cycles. Why? I don't know. Seems like logic that you would. But a statement cycle is the beginning and end date. And if those don't line up between even savings and checking, we may need additional print-offs from one of those accounts. More complicated, right? More paperwork. So, the last thing I will talk to you about is gift funds. If you're going to get a gift for the mortgage, make sure to talk to your lender first, make sure it's acceptable for the loan program. But after that, make sure you get your financial house in order soon, because if you wait, especially on transfer of funds or availability to show documentation on gift funds you are receiving, keep in mind if it's coming from a family member, they may not be on the same timetable. What if they're traveling? What if they're away? And you need documentation from them or their banker. So keep that in mind. Make sure, get your financial house in order, talk to your lender with questions, and if you want to talk to us about getting pre-approved, just reach out to us. I'm on Twitter at rwilliamsdenver. You can find me on LinkedIn. You can find us on Facebook. Reach out via email with questions, rwilliams@summit-mortgage.com. Best of luck in your home search. We'll talk to you soon.